In India, the Lok Sabha or the Parliament and the Vidhan Sabha or the Legislative Assembly are dissolved and the people elect new representatives to run the government. This is known as the general election and is carried out at the same span of time across all constituencies. Sometimes the Lok Sabha and the Vidhan Sabha are dissolved and an election is held before the expiry of their full term of 5 years. Such an election is called a midterm election. At times apart from the elected member, an election may need to be held for a single constituency due to the untimely death or resignation of an elected member. The election carried out to fill this vacancy is known as a by-election. The 1987 elections in Haryana, do you recall that a total of 90 MLAs were elected? Well, any idea as to how this election happened? The first step in the election process is to divide the entire country or the state into several electoral constituencies. For example, for the Lok Sabha elections, the country is divided into 543 electoral constituencies. While for an election to a Vidhan Sabha, the state concerned is divided into a certain number of assembly constituencies. The number of constituency for a Vidhan Sabha varies from state to state. The people from every constituency elect their representative from that constituency. The process of dividing the country or a state into constituency is called delimitation. We often refer to these constituencies as seats. Several assembly constituencies comprise a Lok Sabha constituency in Maharashtra. Thus, Maharashtra has 288 assembly constituencies and 48 Lok Sabha constituencies. Similarly, in the panchayat and municipal elections, every village or town is divided into several wards and the people in every ward elect a representative from that ward. Indian Constitution provides equal rights of representation to all the citizens of India. At the same time, to ensure that minority groups in the country do not get deprived of their right to elect a representative or be elected as a representative. The Indian Constitution has provisions for certain reserved constituencies, such as for the people belonging to the scheduled caste or scheduled tribes. Please like and subscribe for part 2.